Good morning, my name is Judy Vilma. I'm a teacher at College Canada. I'm teaching an health assistant and nursing program. So in order to prepare them well, for example, I give them a lot of materials. For example, for medication, this is something that is very complex and we learn it at Competency 9, but it lasts 2 years. So regardless we did finish the class or not, we'll still need those skills. So what I do, I did create for them a booklet with it's a medication sheet. So whenever we have a new class that we're doing, they can take track and and learn the side effect of that medication, the indication of the medication, and eventually make links. So this is a tool that they carry with them each day so that they will be carrying for 2 years. Advice to future students to be great nurses is to really put your heart into it. I think that is the best gift that you can give yourself to become a nurse, to become an LPN, and to really put the effort. I know the 2 years may be very difficult, but if you have a good partnership with your classmate, with the direction, with your teacher, with the patient, it will be a great experience. We'll bring you to the best profession ever, LPN of College Canada.